Hello children, welcome back to EVS class. Hope you all are fit and healthy. Students, today we will do revision of chapter 4, Plants, Our Green Friends. You know that chapter 3, Fun Time, is not in our syllabus of PT1. That's why we are doing chapter 4. Important topics. Let's find out what are the important topics of this chapter. They are types of plants, parts of a plant, function of each part of a plant, and plants need air, water and sunlight to grow. Students, plants are called lungs of the planet. But why? To find out the answer, let's watch a small video. In the video, we have seen that plant is releasing oxygen and taking in carbon dioxide. Oxygen helps us to breathe. That's why plants are called the lungs of the planet. Okay. Now, let's move to our first topic. It is types of plants. According to their sizes, stem and roots, plants can be divided into 5 categories. They are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Trees, plants that grow tall and big and have a hard and thick stem are called trees. Trees give us shade, fruits and wood. Example, gulmohar, banyan, mango, neem, etc. Shrubs, plants that are smaller than trees and have a small, thin, hard and many branches near the ground are called shrubs. They have multiple woody stems. Example, rose, hibiscus, jasmine, henna, etc. They live for many years. Herbs, plants with soft and weak green and thin stems are called herbs. They live only for few months. Example, spinach, sunflower, ladyfinger, coriander, mint, etc. Climbers, plants with very weak stems that need support to grow are called climbers. They need support of another plant or stick to stand. Example, grapevine, pea, money plant, passion flower, etc. Next, creepers. Some plants with weak stems spread or creep on the ground. These are called creepers. Example, pumpkin, strawberry, watermelon, etc. Our next topic is parts of a plant. A plant can be divided into 2 parts: the root and the shoot. The part of the plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot. This portion. The shoot has stems, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. The part of the plant that grows below the ground is called the root. It is usually white in color. The root. The root is the part of the plant that usually grow below the ground that we know. There are two main types of roots. What are they? They are taproot and fibrous root. This is taproot and this is fibrous root. Taproot. It is the main root which grows from the end of the stem. End of the stem. Many small roots grow from the main root. Example, beetroot, carrot, turnip, etc. Fibrous root. It consists of many roots that grow from the end of the stem, which are bushy in appearance. Examples, wheat, rice, maize, etc. Next, functions of roots. We know that roots firmly holds the plant in the soil. It takes in water and minerals from the soil for use by the plant. Some roots are swollen and thick because they store food. Okay, and example of this type of roots are radish, turnip, beetroot, etc. Now come to our next topic. It is stem. Stem is the main part of the shoot system and grows above the ground. Functions of stem. It keeps the plant upright and straight. It carries water to the leaves. The water that root absorbs, it helps to reach to the leaves. Also carries the food made by the leaves to different parts of the plant. Now come to our next topic. It is leaf. Leaf is the most important part of the shoot. The flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. This portion is called leaf blade or lamina. In the middle there are lines which are called veins. A number of side veins branch out from the main vein like this. The veins carry water to the leaf. Functions of leaf. Leaf is called the kitchen or the food factory of the plant because a leaf makes food for the plant with the help of air, water and sunlight. The process by which leaf makes food for the plant is called photosynthesis. Leaves give out oxygen which is needed for our breath. Leaves of some plants store food. Example, spinach, cabbage, lettuce and coriander. We eat this type of leaves. Next, flower. Flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant. They are brightly colored and have a sweet smell. Flowers change into fruits. Fruit and seed. Some fruits have only one seed. Examples, mango, avocado. Some have a few seeds. Example, orange, lemon. While others many seeds inside them. Examples, papaya, melon, etc. There are many fruits which do not have a single seed. Example, banana, grapes. Come to our next topic. It is germination. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. Most plant grows from seeds. For plant to grow, it requires air, water and appropriate warmth. Look at the picture. This is the process of germination. From a seed, a baby plant come out. This process is called germination. Okay, that's all for this chapter. Students, at least revise this chapter 2 times and then revise the exercises also. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Take care.